It's easy to take care for lucky bamboo plants, but there are a few things which you must know so you don't kill them. In this video, we will discuss about the mistakes we make while taking care of bamboo plants and some very interesting things about these plants that no one really talks about. So without wasting any time, let's start. First thing you should know that if you're already having bamboo plants and struggling with yellowing of the leaves and stalks, you're not alone. Everyone faces this issue. And this is the most common and annoying thing that happens with bamboo plants. In most of the cases, tap water is responsible for this tragedy. I have experienced it myself. I would say by fixing this only, you can sit back and relax without worrying. I've told you so many times on this channel why tap water kills the bamboo plants. Tap water may contain chemicals that can burn its stalks. All you have to do is use bottled drinking water or collect some rainwater and use that in the plants. You will get rid of this continuous leaf yellowing issue. Lucky bamboo makes a great indoor plant because it can tolerate light shade and indirect sunlight. However, your bamboo will grow larger when exposed to bright light. This doesn't mean you should put your plant in full sun, but keeping it in a bright room can increase its longevity. If the bamboo leaves turn yellow overnight, move the plant further from its light source. If you would like to grow a lucky bamboo on a desk or table in a windowless room, then you can with the help of artificial light. When the plants grow in the wild, it usually remains shaded from the direct sunlight by the other taller plants around it. The plant is native to Southeast Asia, so it is often found around bigger plants. There are two secrets for the growth of these plants. First is proper sunlight and second is liquid fertilizer. A drop of liquid fertilizer added to the lucky bamboo once in a while can help promote growth. To yield the best results, one should use a light fertilizer that is specially formulated for the lucky bamboo. Here is a harsh truth I want to share with you about bamboo plants. Bamboo plants once turned yellow are not going to get green again. Yes, don't get fooled by the fake promises on the YouTube. Whatever you try, it's going to die sooner or later. That's the truth. But there is one solution to that, is to propagate the shoots and turn it into a new plant. You can watch my propagation video to perform the process. You will find the link in the description. One thing we take for granted is that we leave the vase dirty. You should always keep your plant container clean. Clean the container every few months and provide fresh water once a week to prevent algae from forming. You definitely need to change the water every week, at least in 15 days of time. Otherwise, the roots may rot with fungus and it will spread in all the plants. And you must clean the vase every month. If there are pebbles or rocks, clean them too with water. If they feel slippery to touch, use household disc cleaning bar to clean the vase and the pebbles. The suitable temperature for lucky bamboo is 65 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. These plants do not survive in temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Lucky bamboo prefers warm temperatures but adapts fine in our homes. As I say about other houseplants, if it is comfortable for you, it will be so for them also. It's best to keep out of any drafts and away from heating and cooling vents. If you see any plant yellowing in a container, immediately separate it from other plants. It may infect the other plants too, so it's better to keep it separate. Never leave them as it is. Mark my words, you will regret it later. One more thing I want to say, that we keep them in our room that is having insufficient light. Your bamboo plant will struggle. They love bright light. Don't keep them in low light. By changing their lighting environment, you will notice drastic changes in the foliage color. More the light, lighter the leaves color, less the light, greener they look. So place them wisely. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Dear viewers, these videos take a lot of time and effort to make. So hit the like button and consider subscribing if you want more houseplant care videos.